Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can switch to a Binance demo account. So what you need to do is if you want to do Binance demo trading, you'd have to switch to a Binance demo account. So for that, first of all, you need to go on your top right in the menu, and from there you'll see the mock trading option. So you need to find and drag down to the mock trading option and you need to click on that. From there, you will open the user menu and you will switch to mock trading mode. And from there, the Binance testnet will require you to give access to your account. You will see this pop up right here. They'll ask for account access. From there, you'll provide account access. You will need to click continue to open a Binance demo account. Then from there, after you've given the account access, you need to connect the account to the Binance testnet. And by default, the simulator interface opens in English, so you don't need to worry about any language problems. If you want to change your language or currency, if you live in a different country, you will simply click English in the top corner. You'll see this sign right here where they're showing you your currency and language. From there, you can basically click and toggle that button, and you will be able to change your language to your desired language. And from there, to exit the Binance simulator, you'll just simply return to live mode and you'll click back to live from the top menu. And then we'll see how to access Binance demo in the mobile app. So for that, you'll just simply go to your futures section down, and from there you'll basically click on account access. You'll click on continue, and from there you'll add asset, as you'll see USDT or your choice of coin, and from there it will be given the permit to connect, and from there you will be able to connect and use your Binance demo account on your mobile phone as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.